Hi everyone, introducing this exciting Autodesk Instructables competition. It's a stone, concrete and cement contest. So you can build various DIY projects using cement and you can publish it in this platform with step-by-step instructions with videos, images and guidelines. Then you can compete for this competition. So they are looking for builds that incorporate stone, concrete or cement in thoughtful and inventive ways. This could mean functional outdoor projects like planters, fire pits or pathways, sculptural pieces that explore form and texture, or structural builds that push your skills further. Whether you're casting, carving, layering or experimenting with new techniques, the focus is on how these materials shape your design. So this contest is a chance to explore the balance between strength and creativity. You might try your hand at decorative concrete finishes, design a piece that integrates natural stone into a modern build, or develop a practical project that improves a space using long-lasting materials. From simple weekend projects to more ambitious build, makers of all experience levels are encouraged to participate. You can take a look at the materials around you, think about what you can create that will stand the test of time and start building something solid. So they have 4 total judges prize: Autodesk Design and Make Award, which uses best use of Autodesk software, and there are 3 student judges prizes also. So you can see there are almost 23 prizes, various gift cards and things. So the last date for application is September 14th. So if you like this video, please do leave a like and subscribe for such exciting opportunity from around the world. So our channel is known as Idea Mela. Please do subscribe. Thank you very much.